Hello. So I'm going to be doing this olive oil castor oil mixture for a month, but I'm going to just go ahead and apply it. I have my little mixing bowl. I have extra virgin olive oil, and then just this organic castor oil. I'm also going to be mixing a little bit of this organic coconut oil just for like the texture and stuff. I'm going to be mixing it all up and pouring it into this bottle. That way it's easy for me to apply it to my roots and stuff. And I'll be showing you guys how I apply that. So I'm not really measuring, just pouring enough probably to I need it last me a month, but I know it probably won't, but just a good amount. Again, I don't want to overpower it. The olive oil is the most important part of this, but also the castor oil is too. Now I'm just putting a scoop of coconut oil, literally just a spoonful. Then I'll stir it around in here. Try to break up the coconut oil. And stir it around. Literally just stirring it all around and getting it all prepared. That's pretty much it. Okay, so now we have our mixture. I just heated it up in the microwave to help melt the coconut oil. Now I'm going to pour it into this little bottle. So all that I mixed up only made this much. But that should be good for this first round, and it may last me till the next time. I'm going to start doing this once a week. Okay, so you guys saw in the previous clips that I made my little mixture. I just took my hair out of its bun because it really needs to be washed. I'm going to brush it out. And this is day 1 of olive oil on castor oil treatment. Like I said before, I'm going to be doing this for a month, just to see how my hair is, how it feels, if it's grown any. And I'm wearing this old t-shirt. It's very baggy, so in case I get something on it, it's okay. Okay. Part it down the middle, or at least going to try to part it down the middle. But before I do my mixture, I'm just going to be putting this tea tree oil in, because I always put in tea tree oil before anything. I'm not very precise with this tea tree oil. Just kind of put it on the roots. It really helps with my dandruff. Keeps it at bay. Been trying for years to get rid of it. And this is the only way that I know how. Okay. And massage all that in. This will probably be the only clip that I'm really, really talking in. The rest of them I'll probably just do a speed up. But I just wanted to show you how I'm doing this and everything first. And then you'll get the gist of it after that. So there won't be any need to talk. Yeah. I just got this little thing so I could squirt it on. Make sure I get it on there, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm just putting this on my roots. I'll massage it all in. And I'll have to like probably re-go over it with some spots, but this is fine enough. This can get really, really messy. I'm really, really glad I bought this spray bottle. That's all I gotta say. Or not spray bottle, like a little squirt bottle. Spray bottle wouldn't work. I'm trying to be very precise, but you're not always gonna be in some. So, as you can tell, I'm putting it all over my head. I'm not gonna put any on my roots, or not my roots, my ends, because castor oil doesn't really go well. It's olive oil and castor oil mixed with a little bit of coconut oil. I think if I just massage it for a while, it'll be fine. Then I'll put it up in a bun. Just let it sit. Again, I'm doing this for like a month, so I'll get better at it. And I can always do more things to it. So here's today one. Okay, this is week 2. I'm recording on my phone today, so there'll be different clips of me filming on my phone and on my iPad. But let's get this started. First, we're going to start out with tea tree oil. Hey y'all! Okay, so I don't have any clips from like the last few times I've done the castor oil and olive oil treatment. Mostly used for the olive oil. But my hair feels so soft, like the whole week. Like I would use it once a week, right? The whole week it feels super soft and nourished, and like it's grown. I know you can't really tell, but I can tell that it's grown because of like when I brush it, wash it, put it up and stuff. I actually just gave myself a little trim. Not too big of a trim, just some split ends. It's still pretty long, it's getting there. It was a great thing. I will definitely do it again. It really helped my hair. Honestly, if you're wanting your hair to be thicker or grow or just feel nourished, just replenish it. If your hair is damaged and you just want to replenish it, get you some olive oil and put it on your roots and everything. And I don't have color hair, but my hair was colored. You probably definitely be able to tell, but it's just great. I love it. It's been a great thing. But I also think another thing that has helped my hair is I have gotten this new hair dryer. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so I got this Revlon. I know this has been out forever, but I just got my hands on it. It's supposed to make it look like a salon blowout type thing. This thing leaves my hair super soft and shiny. I think honestly, doing the olive oil treatment and then drying my hair with this has made my hair super soft and shiny. The combination together is great. I do my hair as normal. You know, I wash it twice after I've done the treatment. Use my tea tree oil. You know, everything's basically still the same. But this right here has definitely improved. I don't normally dry my hair. I only use this once a week. I wash my hair twice a week. I'll wash it like Friday night or Saturday morning. And then sometime during the week, I'll just like let my hair air dry. But on Friday nights or Saturday mornings, I will use this. And that's also when I do my olive oil treatment is when I did it. It's on Friday night, Saturday morning. Wonderful combination. Definitely recommend both. I was so glad when I got this, and I'm glad they had it in this color because the black and pink just wasn't my thing. Black and pink is not I like the color black. Pink is just not me. I'm glad they had this because it's blue, teal, whatever you want to call it. To me, this is blue. Definitely, I would recommend this and doing the olive oil treatment. You could do it for longer. You could do it more than once a week. That's what helped me. I still have some products like left over from where I put it in that squirt bottle that y'all saw at the beginning. So I'm going to keep on using that until it's gone, and then I'm going to try rice water. But we'll see how that goes. I really hope you guys enjoyed. This was a great experience, a great try. I love trying new hair masks and stuff, especially if you can just use the ingredients and go buy it instead of buying like an expensive hair mask like at the drugstore or wherever. I just love trying like olive oil and rice water and stuff, like stuff you can just use like at home, like stuff you just already have. I think that's great. I love it. But yeah, it's left my hair super shiny. I just washed my hair on Saturday and I've had it up even, but like see, it's like still so shiny. Excuse my dogs in the background, but it's still just super shiny, and I just love it. I can't stop touching it, and I know you shouldn't touch it because it's going to make it even oilier, but it has definitely improved my hair a lot. I definitely recommend it.